Hi, my name is Heja Benjilani. I'm the Business Development Manager for EMEA and APAC at TechSmith. I love Snagit. Snagit helped me cut my email and messages meetings by 50%.
What percent of your team, or how many people on your team would you say are using Snagit the way that you are?
I would say the whole sales team. We are very good adopters of Snagit. I'm based in Berlin, Germany, so dealing with partners that are on a different time zone, so I have to sometimes connect and start early at 6 o'clock in the morning to be connected with our partners in China, in Australia, in Japan.
It's really global.
Yes, so it's really important that I'm able to provide a clear and detailed message using Snagit, showing what I have on my screen, taking a video, making annotation to a screenshot. This is really helping in a more detailed communication.
What would the impact be if someone came along and took Snagit away from your team?
It would be horrible. We would spend much more time, I think, in meetings, planned meetings, ad hoc meetings, unplanned meetings as well, where we need to get on a Zoom call just to explain something when it could be replaced by a screenshot or a video.
Do you feel like a video helps you reach more people and close more sales because of that?
Absolutely, because you can have the personal connection, the fact that it's not only an email where we are sending just an email with an offer, to a customer. We are also able to come back and explain with personal words. Most of the time, English is not a native language. So just adding a video where the customer can hear our voice, see us smiling, it just breaks the ice and make that connection easier.
See, it's a really specific question that you're answering for one partner. Are you emailing? Are you making a quick video? Are you asking to jump on a Zoom call? And how do you decide?
So I would limit the Zoom call and I would try first to either make a video. Sometimes the how-to guide is more efficient for someone else to understand than watching a video. We have a fantastic tool, a step capture, especially when it comes to trainers or someone who would like to create training content. Launch the step capture and Snagit will automatically go and take screenshots of what I would like to show in the screen while I'm clicking on things, and it will automatically create a how-to guide in a few clicks. The good thing with Snagit as well is that we have the option to collaborate using Snagit and Screencast. I'm Heja Benjilani, Business Development Manager for EMEA and APAC at TechSmith. I love arranging trips for my family. I love Korean food and culture, and I love Snagit. Snagit is my go-to tool for smart and efficient communication with my team.